All right, eighth grade. So I've gotten a couple emails about level 5 from lesson 9 in your code.org work this week. So I wanted to go ahead and kind of glance over it just to give you an idea of what you need to do. Because I know it can be a little tricky. This level throws a lot at you. So I'm going to scroll down to the do this section so I can have an idea of what's going on. So it says for each image, fix the name according to the following rules. And there are 4 different rules listed, right? Avoid special characters such as the ampersand, question mark, percentage sign, forward slash, and parentheses. Make sure the name has a specific meaning that helps you know what the image is. Use dashes or underscores instead of spaces. Keep the names as short as possible and still have a clear meaning. So your first job in level 5 is you're going to look through here on the left side and see all these different image files. There's .jpegs, .pngs. And what your job is you're going to make sure the names of these files follow these rules. So this first one here, the name of this file is like 15651248515. I don't know what that is. That doesn't tell me information about the image. That's just a bunch of random numbers. So I want to go ahead and rename this first image. So if I take a look, I see it's a picture of a frog here. And I can actually figure out the name of this frog. If I scroll down in my do this section, and they give us a little chart. I see this as a red-eyed tree frog. So I'm going to go ahead and rename this image. I'm going to click rename. I'm just going to say red-eye tree frog. And if I wanted to space that out a little bit, I could use some underscores, but no spaces, right? We want to make sure we're following those rules. Look at that, red-eyed tree frog. Hit enter, and now that picture has been renamed. I actually know what it is now. Excellent. Okay. So you just want to make sure you're going through each of the names of one of these images, right? Making sure they follow the rules given to you in the do this section. If there's parentheses in there, right? Like on this one, axolotl walking fish, right? Get rid of that parentheses. If you see spaces, get rid of the spaces. Canny bush frog, right? Look for these different things. Make sure they are not in the names of these images. After you think you've gone through and finished fixing the names of the images, all you need to do is you're going to pick one of these that you want to add to the web page over here. So let's say, for example, I liked this picture of the fire salamander. I'm going to go ahead and copy that HTML code, go back to my index.html, and I'll go ahead and add that code in. Boom. Here's my fire salamander. And I want to make sure I credit the image. So I'm going to find it in the chart we're given by code.org. I'll go ahead and add that in as a paragraph. Boom. And that's all I need to do. So again, you're just fixing the names of the files to make sure they're correct and meet the rules that are listed for you. Then you're adding one of these pictures to the website. That's all you need to do for level 5.